2687, Airbus 319, 11, moving to your 12 o'clock, 7 miles in a northbound turn. He's emergency just departed, needs to come back, descending at a 7.
Alright, sir, we're slowing it down at 170 knots.
2687, just maintain 6,000 for now. I'm still trying to work out what exactly this aircraft is doing.
Okay, no problem, buddy.
Souls on board and fuel remaining.
We've received a bomb threat on board. 89 souls on board and the fuel 15.1.
Was a phone in or a threat from the airplane?
Oh, it's a threat from a passenger on our aircraft.
Roger.
245 Las Vegas Tower, runway 7 left, clear to land, 150 at 10.
Okay, clear to land.
Clear wing 245, turn left at Alpha 4, turn left on Bravo and continue your taxi. Contact ground 121.1.